have slaughtered my minions and defiled my sanctuary. Now you will be drowned by the wrath of the tides.
You'll have no more sacrifices today, witch. Go back to the depths where you belong.
Very well. Your choice is made. The air you breathe now will be your last.
At last, we've reached our landing site.
Warchief, while you were gone, the nearby volcano erupted. This entire island has begun to sink.
How long to repair the ships?
The repairs are nearly done, Warchief.
Then finish them quickly. We're about to have company. Defend the ships at all costs. Lokrigar Nogal. None will survive.
Huh? Dabu.
Hey, where'd the others go? They go with you?
The spirits are
Where you want me
restless.
go? Why? Who you want me kill?
Master?
You seek me help?
Right away.
Let's get on with it.
Ready to work. Build more burrows. What do you want? I can do that. Okie dokie.
I am the war chief.
Yes?
Ready to
Need
ride.
something.
Lokrigar Nogal. Yes.
Say the word.
I am the war chief.
Yes, chieftain.
What you be craving? How may I serve? I hear the
Let's get on
summons.
with it. Dabu. For honor.
Research complete.
For honor. Yes. Lokrigar Nogal. Let's get on with it.
Work complete. Say the word.
Hear the summons.
Need something.
What you be craving? You seek me help? That be good choice, man.
The spirits are restless. Dabu. Yes.
How may I
Yes, chieftain.
serve?
Something need doing? Can't build
Be
there.
happy to. I am the war chief.
Research complete. Ready to work. Our town is under attack.
I am.
Yes, chieftain.
How may I serve?
Work complete. Yes. I can do that.
Lokrigar Nogal.
Ready to work.
Let's get on with it.
You seek me help?
The spirits are restless.
Our town is under
The
attack.
spirits are restless.
Need something.
Hear the summons.
Let's get on with it. I am the war chief.
Say the word. Research complete.
What you be craving?
Lokrigar Nogal.
Okie dokie. Work complete.
I am the
Yes,
war chief.
chieftain.
You seek me help?
Say the word.
I hear the summons.
Storm, earth, and
How
fire.
may I
Heed
serve?
my
War
call.
chief. Lokrigar Nogal. For honor.
Something need doing? Research complete. What do you want? Work complete. Research complete. Yes. Can't build there. Work. Can't build there. Happy to. Ready
Let's
to work.
get on with it. Yes. Dabu.
Need something? Yes. Our town is under attack. Research complete. Need something? Something you doing?
Let's get on with it.
Say the word. Can I help?
The spirits are restless. For honor.
Yes. What do you want? We're under attack!
I am the war chief. Lokrigar Nogal.
Yes,
Direct
Chieftain.
me.
Research complete.
Let's get on with it.
Yes, War Chief. Something need doing? I can do that. Yes.
The spirits
My
are
life
restless.
can I help?
What you want?
Yes, Chieftain. How can I help?
I am the war chief.
Direct me. Work complete. What do you want? Be happy to.
Lokrigar Nogal. Let's get on with it.
Need something? Okie dokie.
The spirits are restless. I am
the
war
word.
chief.
Yes,
Chieftain. War chief. The spirits are restless. Direct me. Let's get on
Work
with it.
complete. Research complete.
Say the word.
War Chief. Understood.
Lokrigar Nogal. Dabu.
Your efforts are futile, land dwellers. The darkness of the deeps is all that awaits you.
Dabu. Yes.
Inventory is full.
For honor.
Work complete. We're under
For
attack.
honor. Yes. Dabu.
Need something? How can I help? Work. Our town is under attack. Yes, Chieftain. How can I help?
Let's get on with it.
We're under attack.
Yes.
Yes, War Chief. What do you want? Direct me. Yes. Say the word. Yes, War Chief.
Vengeance for Surgeon.
Something need doing? Research complete. Okie dokie. Yes.
Lokrigar Nogal.
How can I
What you want me to do?
Research
I
complete.
am the war chief.
Work complete. Be happy to. Our town is under attack. Need something? Yes.
I am the war chief. For honor.
What do you want?
get on
Say the
directly.
word. Yes. I can do
My
that.
life for the Horde.
Something need doing?
Lokrigar.
Yes,
chieftain. Let's get on with it. The spirits are restless. I am the war chief.
Direct me.
Say the word.
Work complete. Yes. Can't build there.
We're under attack.
Oogie
Need
dokie.
something. Lokrigar Nogal.
Research complete.
Bosh.
Yes, War Chief. Work.
I am the war chief.
Yes. We still need more time to finish the repairs, War Chief.
Let's get on with it.
Yes, Chieftain. How can I help?
Lokrigar Nogal.
Say the word.
Direct me. Lokrigar Nogal. Need something? Let's get on.
Yes, War Chief. Work complete. What do you want? Be happy to. I can do that.
Say the word. The spirits are restless. Ndabu. I am
How can I help?
No problem.
For the Horde. Something need doing? I can do that. Work. Okie dokie.
Yes, chieftain. Need something?
What you want?
Lokrigar Nogal.
Research complete.
Direct me.
Yes. Be happy to.
Need something? Are restless. I am the war chief.
War Chief.
Let's get on with it.
Upgrade complete. We need more lumber.
I am the war chief.
Something need doing? Be happy to. Work complete. What do you want? Okie dokie. I can do that. Work.
The spirits are restless.
Can't build there. Something need doing? Work complete.
Say the word. Lokrigar Nogal.
Yes. Work.
Let's get on
Yes,
with it.
chieftain.
Ready to work.
Lokrigar Nogal.
Work
Need
complete.
something? Say
Direct
the word.
me. What do you want? Okie dokie.
I
Research
am
complete.
the war chief. The spirits
Yes,
are
chieftain.
restless. Yes.
I can do
We
that.
need more lumber.
Be happy to. How can I help? Work complete.
Let's get on with it. Need something?
Yes.
Lokrigar Nogal. For honor.
Chief.
Yes, chieftain.
Yes, War Chief. My life.
Soon this land will be consumed by the tides. Prepare for the sea's cold embrace.
Direct me. Work complete.
Need something? Say the word.
Yes. Research complete. What do you want? I can do that.
Lokrigar no God.
Yes, Chieftain. Yes, War Chief.
I am the War Chief.
How can I help? Yes.
Let's get on with it. Your time has come. Yes, chieftain.
Direct me.
Lokrigar no God.
Something need doing? It won't be much longer now, War Chief. The ships are nearly ready. Ready to work.
Dabu. Yes.
Yes, War Chief.
What you be craving? Tasdingo!
The spirits
Work
are
complete.
restless.
Vengeance
for Suljin.
What you want
Direct
me
me.
to do? Let's get on
something.
with it.
Yes.
Lokrigar no
Ready
God.
to ride.
Say the word.
Yeah. How can I help?
How may I serve? Right away.
I am the War Chief.
Something need doing? We need more lumber.
Lokrigar no God. I am the War Chief.
I hear the summons. That be good choice, man.
Let's get on with it.
Ready to work. Bosh! Research complete.
Here! I am the War Chief.
Yes, War Chief.
The spirits are restless.
How can I help? Ready to work.
Say the word. Lokrigar no God.
What do you want?
My life for the Horde.
Work.
Let's get on with it.
Work complete.
Need something. Lokrigar no God.
Our town is under attack.
Direct me.
Yes, Chieftain.
Yes, the War Chief.
I'll try.
Yes, Chieftain. The spirits are restless. Direct me. Say the word. Let's get on with it.
What you be craving?
Need something. How can I help? The spirits are restless.
Our town is under attack.
I am the War Chief.
Yes, War Chief.
Say the word. Let's get on with it. Lokrigar no God. Lokrigar no
Work
God.
complete. Yes. Okie dokie.
The spirits
Chieftain.
are restless.
Yes, War Chief.
Let's get on with it.
Yes. Right away.
I am the War Chief.
We don't have much time.
Lokrigar no God.
Who you want me
You
kill?
seek me help?
How can I help? Work complete.
Need something.
Yes, Chieftain. Research complete.
You got away off the island?
Let's get on with it. This island be sinking quick. We come with you, man.
The Chief. Anything you
Let's
want?
get on with
complete.
For honor. For honor. Yes. Dabu. Dabu. For honor.
How can I help?
Hold the line, my warriors! Our freedom is at hand!
Say the word.
I am.
Yes, at last the end draws near. Your deaths are only the beginning. Soon all land dwellers will be entombed in a watery grave.
The spirits are restless. Dabu.
It's all around it from your attack! Research is the way to go. We're under attack! What do you want? How can I help?
Yes, chieftain.
The spirits are restless.
Sail on, land dwellers, flee! The dark tide is coming to swallow you all, and once it begins, there will be nowhere to hide.
I don't know exactly what the witch was talking about, but I do know that our destiny lies elsewhere. For now, we set sail for Kalimdor. That is where our future will unfold.